Hi, I'm Chelsi Stratton of Chelsi Stratton Designs, and today I'm here in my mom's studio, Sherry of A Quilting Life, to do a video for one of my Balboa quilts called Sparkling. I'm really excited because Balboa fabric is shipping to stores this month, so you should be seeing yours very shortly, and I can't wait to give you a few ideas of what you can make with it. If you don't know who I am, my mom is Sherry McConnell of A Quilting Life. You may have seen me in our podcast together, the A Quilting Life podcast on YouTube. So let's get started. I can't wait to show you this quilt. Okay, so this is Sparkling. This quilt is Fat 8th friendly, and it also uses this fun low volume sun print from Balboa, and I love adding a low volume print as a background sometimes in my quilts because it gives it a little bit more texture. This quilt measures 63 by 75, and it's just the perfect size for you to put on a bed or to throw over a couch in your home. I really love the use of this gray sun print to kind of tone down the colors in this quilt. And it's just simple sawtooth stars, and it's just so much fun to make. Another thing I like to do with my quilts, you'll see, is that I added a tone-on-tone border to kind of lengthen out the quilt and give it some space. And that's something I like to do on a lot of my quilts. This beautiful quilting was done by my quilter, Marion. I really love the quilting that she does on my quilts. And I'm just really excited about how Balboa looks in this quilt. It's a lot of fun to make, and I hope you enjoy making it too. I also just wanted to show you very quickly the backing that I used on this quilt. This is one of our medium low volume floral prints in Balboa, and it just works perfectly for a backing. We also have a larger floral that I'll be able to show you in another video that works as a perfect backing as well. So thank you so much for watching this video of my Sparkling quilt. I hope you enjoyed a close-up of it, and you'll be able to, if you want to purchase this pattern, it will be linked below in the item description, and you can find that in my Etsy shop in PDF and paper pattern form. And thank you so much for stopping by.